The Fifine AmpliGAME, fam. Amplify your game, apparently. Yes, what's good, people? Tech Jamo, you don't know the done know. Make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notification bell for all my future videos. We got another little drop, little care package from Fifine. Big shout out to Fifine. They've been my God, the way Fifine have been supporting the channel, yeah. Mad thing, fam. Microphone after microphone. So yeah, just big shout out to them again. You can find out more about their website and all their products in the link in the description section below. Now, onto this bad boy here, fam. What they're telling me is not much really. A cheap budget gaming microphone with RGB. That's all I know. That's all I really need to know. Let's get this thing unboxed and see what's really good. This is what man is saying for the unboxing thing. Alright, so you got the little microphone and already connected to it. Man can see that it's got the shock mount and it's got the pop filter. So that comes with the microphone. All on a budget thing, you know. Fam, I know certain other companies that won't give you the pop filter and the shock mount for free, fam. You gotta buy them things extra. Let me not speak on it anymore, innit, before I get cancelled, but man is just saying. You also get the tripod as well, and I've already opened this box and I forgot to put the USB back in, but you get a USB-C to USB-A cable because it is a USB-C connection thing on the back of this microphone. Now look at this microphone, fam. It's got a little smiley face on the pop filter. It looks kind of childish. It does feel very cheap. I think there's like a volume dial control on the bottom here. Yeah, you got a little volume gain control thing which you can turn up and down. I like the fact that it comes already fixed together, so literally all man has to do is screw the tripod on the bottom and yo, we're actually good to go. The tripod does feel a bit heavy duty. The tripod feels heavier than the microphone actually for some reason, but yeah, that's the mic all together, fam. It's all in one little piece of package right there. Everything you need to go. So without further ado, let's get this plugged into a computer and see what man's voice sounds like compared to you listening to my voice now on the shotgun microphone on top of my Sony ZV-1. Alright people, we're in the recording booth. Right now you're listening to my voice on the Edifier GX headset, but we're out here with the Fifine AmpliGAME microphone as you saw before. Now we've got it plugged in. I don't think I've shown you this thing with RGB, but yeah, no, it is very serious. The lights are very bright, they're punchy, they're vibrant. My only issue with the lights specifically is that you can't choose which light you want it to change to. It literally just changes randomly as soon as it's plugged in. But we're not just here for the RGB, we're up here to see what this thing sounds like compared to the microphone on my headset. So let me just mute this headset microphone and let me get onto this AmpliGAME. Okay, testing. Yeah. We're out here on the young AmpliGAME. You done know. I liked that purple and yellow actually. That purple and yellow looked dope. But as you can tell, yeah, the microphone is hella sensitive. Like I've hardly turned it up. You can probably hear my partner in the background. She's literally just in the next room. The door's open. But I wanted to kind of show you guys a sample of how the sound bleeds through if somebody's speaking right next to you. Because obviously these microphones are also supposed to have a kind of noise cancellation because of the, I can't remember what they call it, but basically it's supposed to be like a shotgun and only get what's in front of it, not really get what's going on behind it. But yeah, this is a proper sensitive microphone and it's getting a bit of everything. But when you consider the price point, guys, like I think this thing, yeah, $30, you know, $30, and that's dollars. So it must be like £25 or £26. I'll make sure I'll try and find the link and put it in the description section below. But for a £25 mic, you're getting RGB, you're getting decent sound, because this is way better than it sounds on, now my voice sounds on the headset. And yeah, it comes with what? A little shock mount, it's got a little pop filter on it, a little stand and everything, so I can even hold it like this and it's not distorting the sound too much. This thing is sick. Fam, there you have it, guys. The Fifine AmpliGAME. Do you know what? That mic quality for me, was calm. Like, you can hear what man is saying, it's clear, you can hear it over the gameplay. It's got the little volume controls under here. Obviously it don't have any super software with it that helps you control all the stuff on your computer. You know, that's not really what you're gonna get at this price range anyway, but yeah, that's one of the things that it doesn't have. But apart from that, coming with its own shock mount, pop filter, what more do you want, fam? The quality actually sounds good, and it's got RGB. One annoying thing with the RGB though, as I mentioned, is that you can't specifically change what colors you want it to be, fam. It just cycles through them as you use the microphone. But I'm not mad at that price. I think what they're saying, AliExpress is saying £34. £34. I've seen microphones for £100 that sound just as good, albeit they might come with other stuff, like other features and things like that. But for a bog standard cheap gaming microphone that you can have in your streams and not be ashamed of because of the nice RGB, fam, we're there. Anyway, you know the plug. Fifine microphone, links to them in the description section below. Big shout out to them again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bless.